The universe is not that big. A plank is generally referred to as the smallest unit of measurement. But due to 9/11,
The universe is not that big. Most people think planks are all the same in length. The universe is not that big.
The universe is not that big. Planks can be stretched out to be as long as you want them to be.
The universe is not that big. The universe is not that big. Because we're the government, we can stretch planks and time travel. The universe is not that big. Say you can stretch out planks as fiber optic cables that transport information faster. The universe is not that big. With planks that are stretched out, you can travel as fast as how long you can stretch out the planks.
The universe is not that big. Say if my cat can teleport, then you best believe your government can time travel.
The universe is not that big.